Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So I'm going to be solving question 9 from tutorial sheet 3. So the question says, and then by the way, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do so that you don't miss out the videos that I'm going to be sending. So the question is saying a hockey team, I don't know if this is hockey or hockey, I don't know how you pronounce it, but a hockey team plays in an area with a seating capacity of 15,000 spectators, and then with the ticket price set at 12 kwacha, average attendance at recent games has been 11,000, and a market survey was in the a market survey indicates that for each kwacha ticket a price is lowered. For each kwacha ticket a price is lowered, and the average attendance will increase by 1,000. And what price should the owners of the team set as the ticket price to maximize their revenue from the ticket sales? So the first thing that you need to understand is that they are saying for each kwacha, the ticket price is lowered. So the reduction, that I'll call the reduction, or the lowering, I'll call it X. So meaning for each each kwacha, which is 12 kwacha, for each kwacha there is always a reduction X. And then they are also telling us to say saying what's this, where is that point? The average attendance will increase by 1,000. Okay, so what they simply mean here is that okay, let me write it this way, is every, I'm using red again, let me change the color. Okay, yeah, so they are simply telling us to say a market survey indicates that for each kwacha ticket a price is lowered. For each kwacha ticket price, for each kwacha the ticket price is lowered. So the ticket price that we've been told is 12, and this is the part that I've written here. X is the reduction there. And then the average attendance is 1,000. We increase by 1,000 for every lowered ticket price. There is an increase in 1,000. So we know to say, with the ticket price set at 12 kwacha, the average attendance at recent games has been 11. So this one is just going to be added to that. So we add 11,000 plus 1,000x. So in other words, what I'm trying to say is, to find the function here which we're going to be using, you just need to multiply. So the revenue function here is just found by multiplying 12 minus x, like that, with 11,000 plus 1,000x. So when you multiply the two here, you get something like this: negative 1,000 x squared, then plus 1,000 x, then plus 132,000. So this is what you are going to get after simplifying this expression. Okay, so once you get this, you can now find the value of x at maximum, meaning the reduction, you find the reduction at this at this, what's this, at this maximum revenue. So the reduction is just found by x being equal to negative, what is our b in this case? So it's negative b over 2a. So our b is just 1000, so we're going to have negative 1000 over 2, and then our a is also 1000. So our reduction will just be equal to negative 1000 over negative 2000, which is going to be, so it's going to be negative 1000 over negative 2000, which will now just give you 0.5. So this is actually the, what's this, this is the actual value of x at the maximum revenue. So now the question is saying, what price should the owners of the team set as the ticket price to maximize their revenue? How do you now find that? So at maximum revenue, I mean the maximum revenue that is needed is so this is simple. Sorry for that mistake. So what you do is the question is telling us to find the price that the owners should put to maximize the revenue from the ticket sales. So this one is simple. This one is simple. Let me write it in red here. Okay. So this one is simple. How do you now find the maximum price? We know to say this is the expression for the reduction in price, and then to maximize the profit we found to say x is supposed to be 0.5. So meaning to find that price, I will just say price for maximum. So price for maximum is just now going to be equal to 12 minus x. So it will just be 12 minus 0.5, which will give you 11.5 kwacha. So we're using the currency which is kwacha there, so you can put your kwacha this side. Okay, so this is kwacha. Don't mind my handwriting there. So thank you very much for watching today's tutorial video. This is basically the solution which they needed. See you in the next tutorial video. Shalom, shalom.